kill a little time here on the beach, head out to get breakfast, and then it's on to Cebu.
Estoy esperando por algo que no va a suceder. Odio extrañarte más cuando estás tocando otra piel. Me acuerdo de ningún perdón, que el problema fui yo, por eso tú fuiste infiel. Que no saciaba cada uno de tus placeres, que no querías, pero es que siempre me hieres. Y ahora entiendo que eso no es para mí, no es para mí, no me dio. Y yo llorando de tristeza, baby, me dolió. Que eso no era así, no era así.
On our way to Perez Residence. Do you reckon it will take about 20 minutes to get there? 30 minutes?
Maybe 30 minutes.
30 minutes?
Yeah.
So this is where I'm staying. This is my room. For this room, aircon, I'm paying 700 pesos per night. I wanted a chance to check out this local area as well. I like to try and stay in a different area every time I'm in Cebu, just to check out the neighbourhoods and see what I like. So this is the residence where I'm staying. There's an alleyway down there. There's a dog whining on this side. These stones here I tripped up when I was actually coming here. It's kind of difficult to see because it's so dark. So beef chow fan. I'm in a fast food restaurant called ChowKing, and I just ordered some chow fan, which is made with beef. I think it's coming with rice. I haven't eaten fast food in a while. It tastes like a minced beef ball in a dumpling with a little spice. I like the chili that's served with it. Oh, there's actually egg in here. It's actually actually quite a small meal. There's not much food here. If I'm really honest, it tastes a little bit fatty. It tastes like sausage. Do you have any idea what I'm eating? Because I'm guessing all of this. I know there's beef in here. I know there's egg in here. Definitely the most unhealthy meal I've eaten in 1 week. I think that's not my favourite meal.